Namaste. Welcome to our online Hindi class. In this course, we will be teaching you how to speak Hindi from the very basics. So let's get started. Today, we are going to start with the basics of Hindi pronouns. Pronouns are an essential part of any language, and in Hindi, they play a crucial role in communication. In Hindi, there are a variety of pronouns that you'll need to master in order to speak the language fluently. We will cover all the different types of pronouns in this course. So, let's begin. In English, I, which means मैं. In Hindi, I will repeat this, I, मैं. Next pronoun. In English, you, which means आप. In Hindi, I will repeat this, you, आप. You. Next pronoun. In English, he, which means वह. In Hindi, I will repeat this, he, वह, he, वह. Next pronoun. In English, she, which means वह. In Hindi, I will repeat this, she, वह, she. Next pronoun. In English, we, which means हम. In Hindi, I will repeat this, we, हम, we, हम. Next pronoun. In English, they, which means वे. In Hindi, I will repeat this, they, वे, वे. Next pronoun. In English, you, which means आप. In Hindi, I will repeat this, you, आप, you, आप. Next pronoun. In English, him, which means उसे. In Hindi, I will repeat this, him, उसे, him, उसे. Next pronoun. In English, her, which means उसकी. In Hindi, I will repeat this, her, उसकी, her, उस. Next pronoun. In English, us, which means हम. In Hindi, I will repeat this, us, हम, us, हम. Next pronoun. In English, them, which means उन्हें. In Hindi, I will repeat this, them, उन्हें, them, उन्हें. Next pronoun. In English, my, which means मेरा और मेरी. In Hindi, I will repeat this, my, मेरा और मेरी, my, मेरा और मेरी. Next pronoun. In English, your, which means तुम्हारा और आपका. In Hindi, I will repeat this, your, तुम्हारा और आपका, your, तुम्हारा और आपका. Next pronoun. In English, his, which means उसकी. In Hindi, I will repeat this, his, उसकी, his, उसकी. Next pronoun. In English, her, which means उसके. In Hindi, I will repeat this, her, उसके, her, उसके. Next pronoun. In English, hers, which means उसका और उसकी. In Hindi, I will repeat this, hers, उसका और उसकी, hers, उसका और. Next pronoun. In English, ours, which means हमारा. In Hindi, I will repeat this, ours, हमारा, ours, हमारा. Next pronoun. In English, theirs, which means उनका और उनकी. In Hindi, I will repeat this, theirs, उनका और उनकी, theirs, उनका और. Practice these phrases in your daily routine and try to use Hindi as much as possible. Also, visit our YouTube channel for more resources and practice exercises. Thank you for joining our class today, and please let us know if you would like to know any specific topics or statements which we will post in our next video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos.